Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Hux World. And today, yes, we finally got the battery test for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Now, we always do a battery test on every single smartwatch that we get. It's traditional. We are not going to stop now. For those of you all who already have the watch, you already know how the story goes. Just sit back and be entertained. There are some people out there that are still trying to make a decision which side of the fence they want to jump off on, whether it be the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, the Galaxy Watch 4, or the Galaxy Watch 3 and the Galaxy Watch. All right, so hopefully this video helped for you to make a conscious decision on which smartwatch is going to be right for you so far as battery life is concerned, because battery life for a lot of people are very important. With that being said, let's get started, you all. Let's get started. Listen, you all, this is a nice smartwatch. I really like the design of this one. I thought Samsung did a really good job. Now, this smartwatch has a 1.4-inch display. It has a 361 milliamp hour battery. Okay. Now, before we go on with this video, I gotta do the comparison, right? Now, this pretty much takes out after the Galaxy Watch, right? The Galaxy Watch started it all. This Galaxy Watch has a 1.3-inch display. It's also beautiful. The resolution is a 360 by 360 compared to that 450 pixel rating over on the Galaxy Watch Classic. Now, the battery size on this one, now if you're looking for a beast of a battery on a smartwatch, so far as Samsung and Google is concerned, then you want to get this one. It has a 472 milliamp hour battery. Now, for me, I thought we were going to be somewhere near in the ballpark of this 472, at least a 400 milliamp hour battery, at least a 400, right? And we're nowhere near that. We're more closer to the Galaxy Watch active battery life than we are the Galaxy Watch, right? So I thought, considering that Samsung and Google partnered up, that they would bring us a beast of a battery life for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, but it is what it is, and this is what we got. All right, so let's run through everything that I turned off on this watch to be able to get the battery life that I got. Now, I messed around and did this in reverse. I did the test with every single thing turned off that I can turn off, right? And normally I do it with everything turned on first, and then I do it with everything turned off. But now I pretty much got an idea of what type of battery life we're gonna have with this with everything turned on, which is the way that I roll. All right, so we're gonna go into settings. And what I turned off was pretty much everything, right? I messed around and left Wi-Fi on. It didn't burn that much battery life, but that's okay. Mute notifications, I should have did that. But what I did was I turned on the ringer, cut off the vibration, so therefore it wouldn't eat up any more battery. And then the notification indicator I left. I didn't think that would drain any battery at all. And then I got read notifications out loud. No. Turn on screen. No. Of course, turn on for apps. Never. Okay, we're going to go back out. We're going to go to display. Now in display, I had this turned down. I just turned this up because I had to do a thumbnail for one of the videos that I'm about to send out. And then I went ahead and turned off the always on display, the raised wrist to wake. I turned that off to touch the screen. I turned that off, and I even turned off the bezel to wake it up because I didn't want to accidentally turn it on by rotating the bezel. So everything turned off, right? Now, when I got home, my battery life, right, was 13 hours and 9 minutes of battery life. And here's what was running on that. You had the display that was running, which makes sense. You know, every now and then I was cutting it on. I was checking my notifications. I made a couple of phone calls throughout the day. I had to use the watch, but I didn't use it as much as I normally do, especially without having everything turned on. And so the Wi-Fi was running. I forgot to turn the Wi-Fi off, but as you see, it wasn't burning that much. And then Alexa was also turned on. You got the One UI Home that was running. You also got Spotify that was running as well. Now, the always on display, for whatever reason, it did a 0.9%. Same thing for everything else. S-Health, wearable widgets, even the watch face was burnt 1%. So I didn't burn a lot of screen display, but for some reason, it still burned a lot of battery life to me, in my opinion. Now, I thought I would get home with at least 70 or at least 65% battery life. That didn't happen. So with this watch face turned on, well, turned off, you're pretty much going to get a solid day and a half. You may creep toward 2. I don't know how much toward 2, but a solid day and a half of battery life you will get out of the smartwatch. Now, again, as I said in the beginning of the video, don't let that be a deal breaker. For one, you charge up your phone, charge up your smartwatch, right? If you really like the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, go ahead, buy it, right? Because again, as I said, I charge up my smartwatch and my smartphone every single day simply because I need to be at 100% every time I leave the house. I don't know what's going to happen. Okay. Now with the battery, with everything turned on, I can see you pretty much getting 24 hours with this battery, which isn't much. So again, I stress, charge your battery, charge your smartwatch up every single day, and you would be A-OK. Again, if you love it, buy it. All right. So that's going to be it for this review, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Now, if you're looking to get the Galaxy Watch 3, the link is going to be in the description. If you're looking to get the Galaxy Watch, the link would be in the description to get that as well. Those links are my Amazon links, and I do get a very small kickback off of that. So if you want to support the channel, go ahead, check out that link. Again, thank you guys for all that you have done for the channel. Thank you for your support. Listen, hit the like button on the way out before you leave. Smash the notification bell. And whatever you do, do not forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life. Have some fun, you all. And remember, please be safe.